Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. I want to talk about tile today, and I want to talk to you about my favorite molding. It's called a jolly, and it makes me as happy as the name suggests. What is a jolly? A jolly is an L-shaped molding that is made by a company called Schluter, and it sits on the edge of the tile, and it has only one purpose, and that purpose is to make sure that you don't see the raw, unglazed edge of that tile. Actually, I lied. It has another purpose. It provides protection for that edge and allows you to terminate another floor, whether it be a wood floor or a carpet floor, up against the tile without any risk of damaging the tile. So, if you're going to get involved with ceramic tile or porcelain tile, you don't have a bull nose which allows you to return that profile to the wall, think about Jolly. You'll be happy. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.